You may want to check out this application. Anyways, we'll show you guys how to use it like a pro. Make sure to watch the video. Stay tuned. Here, this is the home screen of the application, and it do contain a lot of ads. But anyways, down here you pretty much will see the games. But all you have to do is tap on add games. Once you tap on the add games feature, there will pretty much load up all the apps that are on your device. All you have to do is just search for the game and then pretty much select it. Let's say, for example, this is the game. Select it and then tap on save. But you're gonna watch an ad again. So it do contains a lot of ad, but it does work. So here you have the balance option. Nothing much for that, just the CPU speed and so forth. You have the battery saving mode and you have the gaming mode. So I do recommend you put it on gaming mode so it can boost your device. So over here, nothing much and just some other features and so forth. But you don't have any subscription to get rid of these ads. It's crazy. There's just too much ads. It's overloading my device right now. But anyways, comment below and let me know if this application has worked for you or if it hasn't. So that's it. See you in the next one.